Craig here with your Market Minute. In today's market, patience won't sell your home, but pricing will. Priscilla and I are seeing this play out across Anaheim Hills and the surrounding areas. Homes are sitting longer, not because buyers have disappeared, but a lot of sellers are holding out for last year's prices, and the market has already moved on. Here's what most people don't realize. List prices have been flat for nearly 3 years. That frenzy where homes sold way over asking, that wasn't normal, and it's not coming back anytime soon. That's a hard reset from the frenzy when sellers could list really high and still get swarmed with offers. That strategy wasn't normal. Buyers today have options and they're savvy. If your home feels ever slightly overpriced, they'll just scroll right past it. So if your listing's been sitting without much activity, that's not bad luck, that's feedback. It's the market telling you something. Sometimes a small price adjustment is all it takes to go from just listed to just sold. If you're unsure where your home stands, let's talk. Priscilla and I can help you make the right move, not just list your home, but position it to sell.